Okay, hello and welcome. And now I have issue in this BMW car, and there is really engine failure code. Okay, and what's that mean? I have in here also this OPD scanner, and now we have code. What is this 2A61? And this is really BMW's special code, and that means now that my valvetronic adaptation is bad. And let's go to look at what that defect means in real life. Okay, and now I have take this my engine away, and this part in here, this is valvetronic, this electric motor. And now I believe that this issue is in this part, this position in here, and this is like this defect area, and this is now like computer issue what I have to manage to fix. And of course there is risk that there is the sensor part, that this area can be some issues, but now I believe that this motors, this position in here, in that area where is this feel and shaft, that this is not in right position, that one. Okay, but this is really this error message, that it means that this my valvetronic system, what is this line in here, it is not in setup.